What's good, y'all? Ruds here. Today's hardware review features the upcoming West Coast Shaving Brawny Safety Razor Head. West Coast Shaving has continued their collaborative efforts with Charcoal Goods by leveraging their design skills to produce 3 razor heads designed by Charcoal Goods, as I mentioned, but manufacturing agreements and commercialization by West Coast Shaving to keep this economical and affordable for folks looking to try out different razor heads. This is the Brawny, which is a soon-to-be available head, which is dubbed as the aggressive head. They recently released the Lithe, which is a mild to mid head, which has been getting great reviews throughout the wet shaving community. And the other release that will happen soon is the Toothsome, which is their open comb version of this razor design. So the Brawny is the big brother to the Lithe in terms of its aggressiveness. This is an aggressive shaver with 2 goals in mind. First, it's got a built-in sweet spot by changing the geometry of the top cap and creating this long sloped, almost triangular type top cap. It forces you to hold it to your skin in the appropriate angle to continue to hold the sweet spot quite easily. It also offers flexibility because it is a head-only design. The threading on this is your standard M5 by 0.8 millimeter threading, which will fit just about any razor handle out there, whether you grab it from West Coast Shaving or you have some in your den and you want to interchange. Features covered blade tabs, as you can see here, and has an A stamped into the base plate so that you know this is the aggressive version if you happen to buy more than just the Brawny itself. It has surprisingly tight tolerances despite being made out of zinc alloy and chrome plated. Some of those versions have a bit of blade chatter or blade wiggle. This one seats properly, and when you torque it down, there's absolutely no blade chatter to this one. So I've been testing the Brawny for a few days now on both my face and dome, and I can tell you that it delivers on the promise of an aggressive shave. Quite aggressive in terms of a razor, with also a decent blade exposure. You're going to feel the blade on your skin. The optimal angle is easily achieved due to the long sloped top cap, as I mentioned in the previous section. Really helps me hold and maintain the angle. I do find that there's a small learning curve just to hold that angle, probably based on the razors I use most, but nothing you can't overcome with a few uses, as I've been able to. This has been delivering smooth, irritation-free shaves. Despite the learning curve, I haven't felt like I've overshaved at all. And I've really quite enjoyed it. This is going to be a very economical option for people looking to explore various head types, along with the other 2 that we mentioned in the opening. You can hear that it's got nice audio feedback, and it's a nice razor in general. I'm not sure if this is a mass daily driver, but I can tell you it will be a daily driver for those that are aggressive razor junkies, and I do know there are several of you out there who enjoy aggressive shaves daily. This will deliver that. It's got a great aggressiveness and very efficient shaver. May even help you reduce the number of passes you need to complete your shave. As you probably suspect, I'm a instant fan of the Brawny Safety Razor Head by West Coast Shaving. Really cool that they were able to collaborate with charcoal goods, to design this safety razor head, along with the available now Lithe and the upcoming toothsome safety razor heads. These will offer you an affordable, economical solution if you're looking to explore razor head types, particularly if you're new to the hobby and you're looking not to break the bank, but try what's available out there. I do hope you'll have the opportunity to check out the Brawny when it releases soon. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say. And if you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.